Hi guys, welcome to Gold Today. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Friday and from the United States, we will be waiting for the following economic headers to be released. We will be waiting for the building permits for the month of July and the housing starts for the month of July and the Michigan consumer expectations and also Michigan consumer sentiment for the month of August. That's all for the economic calendar and that's all from the United States. We'll move on now to have a look at the numbers. On the last trading session of Thursday, we have had a trading range from 1507 to 1526. The numbers are rounded and the market is still open. Gold spot is expected to print a closing price above 1520. The number is rounded and the market is still open. Gold is trading in a bull trend above its old daily simple moving averages, and as you see, the 20 days daily simple moving average is about 1463 so far, and as long as gold is above 1431, the 50 days EMA gold is still bullish. We are overbought in the weekly, monthly and daily charts. Situation could trigger a correction. Support 1515 and then 1511 and then 1506, and resistance is 1527 followed by 1534 and then 1550. That's all for the numbers. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. The financial institutions and their arms of financial prostitution, the so-called financial media, since the early hours of the day have been bombing the markets with reports and interviews with the so-called experts, with one objective only, is to convince the public, the traders and the investors, that the inversion in the yield curve is an old school metric that does not tell if there will be really a recession to hit the economy or no. And the same propaganda that we hear every time when a financial crisis is about to happen, that we are too big to fall or too big to fail. Some bought it, yeah. And we have seen some short-lived momentum around the stocks in the major stocks markets around the world. Then came a headline from China that they wish to meet with the United States in the middle in terms of the trade talks and negotiations. But if the United States is not showing interest, there have been an action and there will be a reaction. Market sentiment changed to negative, and we have seen rounds of sell-off, tough sell-off on equities. As they say, nobody wants to catch a falling knife. Both gold and silver benefited of the situation in the stock market and playing the perfect hedge, and both appreciated. The point is, are we going to go to 1600 or 18 in silver one time, or we are going to go through a correction? Only one constraint is the overbought condition, which historically gold made it to such highs in 2013 with overbought of 87, 88 on the weekly chart for like 6 weeks. Any correction should meet a strong demand all the way down to 1450, and it's going to be a windy correction, harmful for bears more than bulls. Now to March directly, we need to see gold trading above the reversal point of 1534. We need more negative headlines about the economy and the geopolitical situations, which we got plenty of recently. I see like everyone in the world, I mean the leaders have climbed a tree and he doesn't know how to come down. Look at Trump, he started with the tariffs and he doesn't know how to fix it, and Johnson, he wants to do the Brexit, okay, at his own. China the same. However, buying dips is still seen good. The market floor is 1450, is a step away. If gold goes into correction, as I said, it's going to take some time. Technically we are now into a correction actually, because we are trading below the reversal point at 1534. 1500 is an important figure. If you see gold there, buy it blindly, or if it clears 1534, it's a buy also. And any dip of $10 plus, it's a buy. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore.